Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Laurina. If you're new to this channel, I talk about all things beauty and hair and makeup and lifestyle, occasionally fashion. So if that sounds like your thing, then please subscribe. In today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this hair using the darling 100% Kanekalon hair. It was super easy to achieve. This hair is so lightweight and I am feeling it. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so for this hairstyle, I used 2 packets of Darling's Kanekalon hair. I bought the value packs and I cannot remember the exact price, but I did not pay more than 50 bucks per packet. So I used about 100 Rand for this entire hairstyle. Like, please let that be the center and the focus of this hairstyle, is that it cost me 100 Rand. Okay, so for everybody else international watching, that is $5.93 according to today's conversion. So this hair is super cheap, but it does the business, you know, it does the things. So obviously you don't want blunt ends with your hair. I didn't cut any of the hair. I just wanted to taper off the ends for the extension so that I don't have blunt ends that I'm working with in the hair. You know, it looks nice. You'll also need some wool and you'll need a place to twist out your hair. I decided to use a butler's, what do they call it? A butler's tray? Yeah, a butler's tray. So I just took off the top of the butler's tray and then wrapped the wool around the legs of the butler's tray. And then I used that as my base, as my foundation, in order to help me twist out and curl my hair. So for each pack, you can separate it depending on what kind of curl pattern you want. I wanted a water wave curl pattern. If you want a tighter curl pattern, then you will have to separate the packs into smaller pieces than I did. So initially, as you can see here, I started off with smaller pieces and I was like, I don't know. But I ended up splitting each individual, because the value pack comes with 3 braids, 3 packs of braids. I ended up splitting those individual braids into 3. So each and every pack that I used produced 12 of these twist outs. So after you have twisted out your hair with wool, you then literally just pull on the wool and the wool will do its job, girl. It literally twists itself. Okay, so as you can see, you need to leave gaps. As I showed in the video, you need to leave gaps when you are wrapping your wool around your hair extension, and then you just pull the wool in order for the wool to create those glorious, amazing twists. And literally it is that easy. Like, it is super easy. I mean, it's easier for you to watch it than for me to try and explain. So I hope the video does it justice. Otherwise, you can just replay. Okay. And then obviously, in order to keep the curls from unraveling, you just want to take that wool back up and then twist the top of your little, what are we going to call it? Your little curl coon. You want to twist it on top of your little curl coon and then cut off that wool and move on to the next. Like, it's really that simple. So that's obviously what I did for every single one of my packs. Like I said, each value pack came with 3 individual braids or packs of braids. Each of those individual braids I split into 3. So each pack produced 12 of those little curl coons. And then I went on over to my sink. I used conditioner in order to soften the hair up a little bit. And this was a very vital step, especially when I was trying to unravel the hair. I find that it would have made it so much harder to unravel the hair had I not used a bit of conditioner. Use your favorite conditioner. There isn't really a good or right answer as to what conditioner you should use. Whatever you have is most probably going to work. And then you add some hot water in order to get those babies to curl up and stay curled once they are dry. So this is hot water friendly braids, Kanekalon hair. So it will definitely work. And then what I did a month later, yeah, you heard me right, a month later, I had those little cocoons sitting in my lounge drying up for a whole month while I did other hairstyles and forgot about them for a little bit. I won't lie, I did actually forget about these cocoons and forget that I was filming a hairstyle. But yeah, came back a month later, but you don't have to wait a month, unlike me. I find that you might have to wait about 2 nights. You might have to let the hair sleep over for 2 nights, because I did find that the morning after I dipped my cocoons into hair, they weren't dry or as dry as I would like for them to be the next morning. So just to make it safe, or just to keep it safe, I would wait 2 nights. You probably can get away with 1 night, but I mean, I'm the girl who waited a month. So really, who am I with my opinion? As you can see, when I unraveled the hair, it was water wave texture. If you want tighter curls, then you're going to have to separate those packs into smaller batches. Now, the separating process was a bit of a mission, as you can see. I did try to use some of the Tresemme hair oil to separate the hair. That kind of helped a bit. As you can see here, if you don't want to separate the hair too much, it looks glorious. So I would actually suggest, if you can crochet the hair in big chunks like this at the back, do that, because it stops the hair from frizzing and stops the hair from having that frizz matted look that I have in the end. I mean, you can't really tell too much, but I mean, you can kind of tell. Okay. So that's what the hair looks like after you separate it into the sections that are appropriate to crochet with. But if you can crochet bigger pieces in order to stop the frizzing, then do that. Another way to stop the frizzing is also to have your cocoons be smaller, so that you don't have to keep separating them and frizzing them up when you are undoing them the next morning. And then, girl, you just crochet. Okay, I decided to speed this up because I already have a video on my Instagram on how to crochet. I will leave the link to the crocheting video down in the description box below. It's a 59-second video. It will teach you everything you need to know on how to do that loop thing and that pulling through thing. Trust me, so easy, so dope. Okay, so I just crocheted all my hair in. I decided to leave. My brother wanted to feature. Hey, bro, are you happy now? Anyway, I decided to leave the top a bit sparse just because I wanted that look. And I decided to I found that adding some mousse to the hair before you unravel the hair also helped with that frizz look, and also helped to not mat the hair so much. So 2 things I would highly suggest when you are doing this hairstyle: have some oil on hand, have some mousse on hand. It will definitely help you out. I do find though that this mousse kind of dried the hair out a little bit. It might have alcohol in it. I'll double check, but you can probably get a more nourishing mousse. No, girl, don't do that. More nourishing mousse that you can use on the hair in order to stop it from frizzing and stop it from being super dry. Then I put some mousse on the hair, and that was it. $5.93, and we're done. Like, done. As you can see, the end result does have some matting at the end of the hair, but that can easily be avoided. I mean, if you're trying this for the 2nd, 3rd time or whatever, you will definitely be able to avoid that, because you live and you learn. Practice makes perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try out this hairstyle, because I was feeling myself. I was like, oh yes, girl, you could not have told me that my hair was cheap. Okay, like, I was rocking this hair. I was feeling myself. I was feeling it. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay, let me stop. Thank you guys so much. Okay, let me stop touching my hair. Okay, how about that? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh. If you are a bird, can you please just stay away from my house, because these dogs just will not allow you to live. Anyway, what was I saying? Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below on what technique you would change, how you feel about this hair, and whether you would try out this technique. This hair literally cost me like I don't even see. The thing is, I filmed my video. I probably said this in the video already, but anyway, cheap, okay, but it looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, girl, because you keep coming back here but you're not subscribed. I don't understand. I don't understand. How about we just formalize this relationship and then you subscribe and then we keep it moving? And before you leave though, how about you watch another video? Right here. I have perfectly put it right here. You do not have to look anywhere. Just watch this video. I will appreciate it. I love you so much. I will see you next time. Watch the video. No, like for real. I'm just gonna wait over here for him to watch the video.